Prior to having the cameras, when I was reviewing incidents, I was relying on statements from staff, reading the clinical notes. One of the biggest differences now is I'm able to see footage of what actually happened.
If it involves reflective practice, I can bring somebody in, I can show them the footage. It makes it a lot easier to resolve issues with regards to complaints or serious investigations.
I log into Calla and I get to see the footage from the cameras on my ward, and then you can file it, you can code it as to how long you need to keep the footage for.
It gives us the opportunity to review information very, very quickly so that we can get a true picture of actually what happened.
Staff can also view the footage, learn any lessons to maybe improve their practice and explore other potential verbal interactions that could have occurred.
We learn lessons because we're actually visibly able to see what we're doing. If I know that I've been involved in an incident where I have used the camera, I can watch back and just make sure that we're conducting it in the right way. So I would say it definitely helps the quality of our care.